Join me as I take on the challenge of creating my very own AI-powered chatbot using ChatGPT, and see if I can make it as smart as I want. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the future and create our very own AI chatbot using ChatGPT. I'm super excited to explore this cool technology, and I think you will be too by the end of this video. Chatbots are revolutionizing the way we interact with computers, and soon they'll be an integral part of our daily lives. Imagine having a personal assistant that can understand you, respond to your queries, and even help you with complex tasks. That's what we'll be building today, and I'll show you just how easy it is to get started. With ChatGPT, we can create a chatbot that's not only smart but also fun to interact with. So, what makes ChatGPT so special? For starters, it's a powerful language model that can understand and respond to human input in a way that's eerily natural. But what really sets it apart is its accessibility. Anyone can use it to build their own chatbot, regardless of their technical background. Okay, so what's holding people back from building their own chatbots? Well, there are a few common challenges that come to mind. The first hurdle is often the technical skills required to build a chatbot from scratch. You need to know how to code, understand AI concepts, and have some experience with natural language processing. Another challenge is understanding how to design a conversation flow that's engaging and user-friendly. You need to think about how your chatbot will respond to different inputs, how it'll handle multiple conversations at once, and how it'll stay on topic. And then there's the complexity of natural language processing itself. Humans communicate in so many different ways. We use sarcasm, idioms, and nuances that can be tough for computers to grasp. Plus, there's the issue of scalability. As your chatbot grows in popularity, you need to make sure it can handle a high volume of conversations without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget about the cost. Building a chatbot from scratch can be expensive, especially if you're working with a team of developers. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome all these challenges and build a chatbot that's not only smart but also easy to use? That's where ChatGPT comes in. This amazing tool lets you focus on designing your chatbot's personality and conversation flow, while it handles the heavy lifting of natural language processing. So, are you ready to get started? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a chatbot using ChatGPT, from setting up an account to designing your conversation flow. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a ChatGPT account. It's free, and it only takes a few minutes to get going. Once you've set up your account, you'll need to access the API. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to tap into ChatGPT's powerful language model and start building your chatbot. Now, let's talk about designing your conversation flow. This is where you get to decide how your chatbot will respond to different inputs and engage with your users. You can start by thinking about the different topics you want your chatbot to cover. Will it be a customer support chatbot, a language learning tool, or a fun conversational partner? Next, you'll need to decide on the tone and personality of your chatbot. Will it be friendly and chatty, or formal and professional? As you design your conversation flow, you'll need to think about how your chatbot will handle different scenarios. What if a user asks a question it can't answer? What if it needs to hand off the conversation to a human operator? The good news is that ChatGPT makes it easy to design and test your conversation flow. You can see exactly how your chatbot will respond to different inputs and make adjustments on the fly. Let's take a look at a live demo of building a simple chatbot using ChatGPT. I'll show you just how easy it is to get started and see the results for yourself. Note, insert live demo section here. Wow, that was easy, right? With ChatGPT, you can build a chatbot that's not only smart but also easy to use. So, let's summarize what we've covered so far. We've talked about the potential of chatbots to revolutionize the way we interact with computers, and we've covered the common challenges that hold people back from building their own chatbots. We've also delved into the process of building a chatbot using ChatGPT, and seen just how easy it is to get started. The best part is that ChatGPT makes AI technology accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the future of chatbots. If you've got a chatbot idea or experience you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about advanced chatbot features or AI applications, be sure to check out my next video.